Good job. Okay, back up top.
Back to the top. A nail.
That's a screw.
Screw. These are nails. Nails are female nails.
That's funny. Fenails. A little more. Excellent job. Ow. It's okay. Okay, hit it one time like you're mad at it. One more time like you're mad at it. Good job. Now a couple of times like you're really mad at it. A little more mad. 2 more. Good job, sweets. And remember, you can hit it like you're mad at it. When you get it pretty low like that, you can hit it really like you're mad at it. Watch out for your fingers though. Keep them pretty far away from the nail. Yeah, far away. Now spin it around and do the next one.
Can you help me a little bit?
I will. You're doing great. Hit it one time like you're really mad at it, like you want to hurt it. Okay, now try the other one that way. Here, I'll do this one. Ready? Okay. All right, stand up. Watch for your head when you stand up. I'm going to turn it. I would get more on my brush. That's fine. Just put it all in there. Let it drip on the thing you're painting.